Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type Seller Central, Amazon, into the address bar and press enter. Check that the page URL starts with HTTPS to confirm it is a secure Amazon page. Select your region or marketplace if Amazon asks you to choose one. Click the Sign In button on the Seller Central page. In the email or mobile number field, enter the email address linked to your seller account. If you used a mobile number for your account, enter it in full with the correct country code. Click Continue to move to the password screen. Type your Amazon Seller Central password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a private device, you can check Keep Me Signed In for faster access later. If you are on a shared or public device, leave Keep Me Signed In unchecked for security. Click Sign In to access your Seller Central dashboard. If Amazon requests verification, enter the one-time code sent to your email or phone. If you use an authenticator app, open it and enter the current two-step verification code. If you see a CAPTCHA, type the characters exactly as shown and submit. After signing in, confirm you are on the home page of Seller Central. If you manage multiple accounts, switch to the correct account from the account selector at the top. If you cannot remember your password, click Forgot Your Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email or mobile number again and follow the reset link or code you receive. Create a strong new password and save it in a trusted password manager. If you cannot access your email or phone, use Amazon's account recovery options on the same page. If the site keeps redirecting, clear your browser cache and cookies for Amazon pages. Try signing in again using an updated browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. If you are using a VPN, turn it off temporarily in case Amazon blocks the login attempt. Make sure your device date and time are set automatically to avoid verification issues. If you receive an account alert, read it carefully and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Once inside, verify your store name and marketplace to ensure you are in the right Seller Central account. Bookmark the official Seller Central login page so you can access it quickly next time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.